In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you 5 simple steps to get in and out of the RV dump station faster than anyone else in line. No stress, no mess, and no holding anyone up. Let's get this done. Now picture this. You roll up, dump your tanks, and drive off before the guy ahead of you even figures out where his gloves are. The trick? It all starts before you even pull up. I keep all my sewer gear in one clearly labeled bin, my gear bin. Everything is in there. My sewer hose, my clear elbow, my Rhino blaster flush tool, gloves, and even a dedicated rinse hose. No digging through the bays while people behind me tap on their steering wheels. My rinse hose is orange. On purpose? I never mix it up with my white freshwater hose. And these gloves, heavy-duty nitrile with a textured grip. Because trying to twist slippery plastic with bare hands, no thank you. When it's go time, I connect the sewer hose to the ground inlet first. Then lock it into my RV's outlet. Once I'm sure everything is snug, I pull the black tank valve. This is where the magic happens. If you call it magic. If you set it up right, everything flows smoothly. And yeah, I use a clear elbow so I can actually see when it's done. Once my black tank is empty, I close the valve and pull the gray. That's all the soapy water from my sinks and shower. It rinses the hose out while it drains. It's a built-in cleanup, simple but so effective. Now here's the step most people skip, but it makes all the difference. I flush the black tank. I hook up the orange hose to the Rhino blaster, close to the gate valve, and turn on the water. That sends pressure up into the tank to rinse everything out. Once it's about 2/3 full, I open the gate valve and let it all flush through again. Trust me, you'll be shocked at what still comes out. Then I pack it all up, disconnect from the RV first, then the ground. Rinse everything with the orange hose. Hose goes into the bin, gloves off, double check that both the tank and the valves are closed and the cap is secure. That last check, it saved me more than once. And here's the deal. Dumping your tanks doesn't have to be gross, slow, or stressful. With the right setup and a bit of muscle memory, you'll be out of there before the next guy even finds his hose. If this helped, hit subscribe. I've got a lot more RV tips in the videos over here. They'll save you time, money, and probably your marriage. See you next time.